Hello student, welcome back to Harish Education Hub. Today we are going to deal with the topic 2, grade 8, linear equation in one variables. Now before that we have done expressions. What is expression? Expression means what? Facial expression नहीं, mathematical expression. उसमें क्या होता है? Suppose x plus 2, दिस इज कॉल्ड एन एक्सप्रेशन. वहाँ वेरिएबल्स और नंबर होते हैं, जैसा एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ इफ आई राइट हियर एक्स प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 7, इट विल बिकम इक्वेशंस. ओके, सो इक्वेशन और एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ अगर इज इक्वल टू साइन लगा देते हैं और एक नंबर और लिख देते हैं दूसरे साइड में, तो इक्वेशन बन जाता है. नाउ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल मीन्स व्हाट? ठीक है. नाउ वन वेरिएबल मीन्स हियर यू आर यूजिंग ओनली वन वेरिएबल. आइदर यू यूज एनी अल्फाबेट एक्स वाई जेड, लेकिन एक ही यूज होगा. सो दिस इज अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. बट हाउ इट इज अ लीनियर इक्वेशन, ये आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ इफ आई राइट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 7 and x plus 2 equal to 8, in these two, which is a linear equation? Now linear equation says that the variables का highest power 1 होना चाहिए. Now in first this is one variable but the highest power is 2, so this is not a linear equation. a linear equation नहीं है. Now x plus 2 equal to 8, this is a linear equation. Why? Because highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, so this is a linear equation. So there is no doubt about linear equations and one variable. Now we will do some sums based on this topic. Okay, now first 4x plus 4 equal to 12. What to do? So here 4x plus 4 equal to 12 means we can, since this is a plus 4, I don't want plus 4 here. What to do? That means I supposed to subtract 4 from both the side. दोनों साइड से 4 माइनस कर दो. So my answer will be 4x is equal to 4 minus 4 0. No need to write 0. 12 minus 4, it will become 8. Now what to do next? I don't want 4 here. So what to do? Divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 2 is my final answer. Okay. Now same sum can be done in a shortcut method. 4x plus 4 equal to 12. What will do? Just transfer this number to that side. It is a plus 4. When you will go to that side, become minus 4. So therefore sign is compulsory here. 4x is equal to 12 minus 4. 4x is equal to 8. Now again, I don't want 4 here. Divide 4 to both the side. 8 upon 4. So x is equal to, from both the method we get the same answer. Okay, any doubt? So it's very easy. You should know simple addition, subtraction and multiplication. We'll do one more sum. Now x upon 3 equal to 4. What you will do? I don't want 3 here. मुझे 3 नहीं चाहिए इधर. So what we will do? So multiply both side by 3. यहाँ भी 3 से करो और यहाँ भी 3 से करो. 3 3 get cancel. X is equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay, or direct method. X upon 3 is equal to 4. Simply when 3 will go to that side, become multiply 4 into 3. The answer will be same. Okay, any doubt? Now linear equation 2 is very easy. We are doing 2.1 exercise. Okay, if I write x upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 6, तब क्या करना है आपको? Simply use the cross multiplication method. क्या करना है? इस नंबर का इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, इस नंबर का इसके साथ. So 6 into x 6x, 4 into 2 8. ठीक है. So 6x is equal to, so again you can do 6x upon 6 is equal to 8 upon 6. 6 is get cancelled. Reduce it. 2 4 za 2 3 za. The answer is 4 upon 3. Okay. This is a simple cross multiplication method you can use here. Okay. Any doubt on this exercise 2.1? If you have any doubt you can ask in the comment. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को अपने फ्रेंड तक पहुंचाइए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ठीक. ओके, अभी कंटिन्यू करते हैं. नेक्स्ट सम 5x प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 3x. क्या करेंगे तो? कुछ टेंशन नहीं है. आपको वेरिएबल को एक साइड और नंबर को दूसरी साइड रखना है. एक कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखना है. वेरिएबल को एक साइड में रखना, नंबर को अदर साइड में. नाउ व्हाट विल डू? 5x, okay, now 3x when you will come to this side become minus 3x. Okay, then when this 9 will go to that side become minus 9. Again be attentive. 5x 3x यहाँ है तो क्या होगा? minus 3x. Okay, 5 minus 9. 5x minus 3x become 2x. Here 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 is what? 4. Sign of greater number. Now next step. I don't want it 2 here. Divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to minus 2. So look again. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. What do you have to do? We have to separate all variables one side and number on other side. 5x minus 3x and then 5 minus 9. So 5x minus 3x become 2x. 5 minus 9 minus 4. So 2x is equal to minus 4. So divide both sides by 2. So 2x upon 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 2. X is equal to minus 2. This is your final answer. One more question. If I say 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Again the same method. वेरिएबल को एक साइड लेके जाओ और नंबर को अदर साइड में रखो. While transposing all this, please make sure that your sign should not be wrong. So 4z minus, when 2z comes to this side become minus 2z is equal to 6 plus 3 go to the side become minus 3. 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z is equal to, so dividing both sides by 2, 3 upon 2. Therefore z is equal to 3 upon 2. This is your answer. I hope no doubt while solving linear equation. Linear equation solve करता कोई भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. Now next part will be word problems. Word problem में करना क्या है आपको? आपको उसमें equation बनाना है. क्या करना है? Equations बनाना है. Then we have to solve using this method. Okay? As I told you, we are going to solve word problem based on linear equation one variable. Now first of all you should read the question very carefully. I have written a question for you. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you will get 1 upon 8. What is the number? Now first of all read this much. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, let the number be be x. So what the condition given? Subtract 1 upon 2 from a number. That means what? From here, x minus 1 upon 2. Yes? Now, next condition, and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. So what the condition? By given condition? By given condition. Condition, okay? What? 1 upon 2. X minus 1 upon 2. So, this should be multiplied by 1 upon 2. What you will get? 1 upon 8. Now, this is your equation. Again, please attend. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you will get 1 upon 8. What is the number? Let the number be x. What is it? If you subtract, means minus 1 upon 2, then multiply the number by 1 upon 2, you will get 1 upon 8. Now, how to solve this? 1 upon 2 into x, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 become 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. I don't want this minus 1 upon 8 this side, it will go that side. 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. Now, simple. 4 ones are 4, 8 ones are 8, become 32. Okay, now x upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 32. Now, what will do? Cross multiply this. 32 into x, 32x, and 12 into 2 become 24. So again, I don't want 32 here. 32x upon 32 is equal to 24 upon 32. X is equal to 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 3 upon 4. Therefore, the number is 3 upon 4. Okay. Now, first, you should able to frame a equation. Read the question very carefully and try to make a linear equation and solve as per the given directions. Okay. So, at last, the answer is 3 upon 4. That means the number is 3 upon 4. Okay. Any doubt? Now, next question. I'll frame a question for you. If I say two numbers are in the ratio 5:7 and their difference is 18. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3 and their difference is 18. What will be number? Let the number be x. Therefore, first number will be what? 5x. Second number 3x. As per the question or as per the given condition. Their difference means what? 5x minus 3x is how much? 18. Okay. So, as per the questions, what it says? The difference between the number is 18. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Therefore, now solve the equation. 5x minus 3x, 18. So, 5x minus 3x means what? 2x is equal to 18. So, again, divide both the side by 2. 2x upon 2 is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 to get cancelled is your 9. X is your 9. Therefore, the first number. What is the first number? 5x. 5 into 9, that is 45. Second number, 3x. 3 into 9, that is 27. Okay? Any doubt? Therefore, two numbers are 45 and 27. Any doubt? Hope you understood all the concept of linear equation in one variable. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. If you liked my lectures, subscribe my channels एंड प्लीज़ सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट पास आउट टू योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, कि उनको भी इस लॉकडाउन में घर बैठे जो है उनको लीनियर इक्वेशंस सीखने को मिले. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.